Guys, what is going on? Like, hold on. Okay, watch to the end of this video.
Abuja from Mamu Nyina Makwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV so. But I'm on this like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe whom you from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be about whom you from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be ano. The meeting the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina ho ato ko amamo we die e die nto Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka asem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be kire pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say adi we time nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no yeko heba we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Mommy enko mra sisi.
Guys, what is going on? Like, hold on. Okay, watch to the end of this video. Okay, and I appreciate. Okay, you let me know your observation. Okay, drop your observation in the comment section. This is General Mosquito attending an event, and ladies and gentlemen, observe and drop your comments. Hey, when it is coming, it is doing. This tension can be like I can smell the tension. Like, did you see what I'm seeing? See, guys, observe the posture, the body language. Even the chief of staff is there, guys. Just observe. I'm giving you some clues. Hey, God, I beg you. Hey, chaos. Asiedu Nketia. Hey, God, I beg you. Did he see Julius, our chief of staff? What is going on? No, did you see Bernard Ahierfor's face? Guys, drop your observation in the comment section. Aye, this is a chaotic Thursday, ladies and gentlemen. Gracias.
I don't go to Ababa. I don't go to Ababa. Aye, what you know? You are so now. Kasuna ye. This is the politics. I'm not about to follow. Me, I can't preach you. Me, a message. Me, I go for the man. Me, be. This is what I'm politics. Yeah, no. I do before. I will watch you. You know me. Aye. Ya to watch sa o de bia do jira na jira ya pa ya be po watch sa ya so to her is woman so give his divorce why man of moka de bia moka as you de bia na so de bia po watch wa so say bi pa you answer when say e cha pa no as you pay you say are baba o no from da obi no o ye konku asase we so bisa wo say o so from da na ni from the chair when NPP ni ba ko pe do wo bani a unti M0untain for me na na bia wo bo wo chi sa do me wo mo ana me do me say unti me tena ko nyam so me ana me osuru sira wa o eni pa ba ja ko fi agada NPP o mo ni na ba mo maba so mo ni ma unti me no hu
and something kilometers. If you enter a canoe, how much of Ankobra can you police? And so with the collaboration of the finance minister, the Ministry of Defense and Ministry of Interior Police came with some requirements that they need, for patrolling the water bodies, and then equipment they need to maintain. They need tents for the forest reserves. Once they've cleared the Galamsey operators, they need to have tents where they can camp the soldiers and have kitchens where they can cook their food and all that kind of thing. So we're working with illegal mining. Illegal mining has eaten into the fabric of our society. And I must say that it is not only a menace to our society, but it has involved a circle of traditional rulers, political party appointees and everything. And so even when one party changes, those who were running some operation who were to one party will go to the next party and say, oh, now that you have come and take over this operation and let's share, and we too will be getting small. This is what we're doing. And so I don't kid myself that we don't have our own people involved. And the work of the don't have our own people involved. And so I don't.
So, man, pay admit one in Crawford. That is why one ma the attorney general so kata koma yoku. Sanko for me na kosi saying. Now where crowd ya meti ya no, and they are making car ya no. And young time I won't to me, yes, it was Jay and an incredible time will be. I'm an aqua assassin, so aqua say assassin 20 years. Nani Pano say assassin, so of course. The Canada
Edemano Unya Kabila Al Hassan. Ayi teacher ni yo say hwan ya woni akora bi de ba yi. O de ne betina ho sopa na wo DJ K unim se atintenhu ta woto na uhwiri treasure. Unim se atintenhu eta woto na uhwiri treasure. Onzo obi anka bi ma o DJ K. Onzo obi anka bi ma. Sa na wiase ne tie. So obi asamba fa we ya futuo. Obi asamba susuka. Na wunim de da wanim. Obi asamba susuka. Na me me srema wo se ebi mu be defend no. Wo be defend DJ K sasai. Enim guase we ya wagu ne ho. Wagu ne ho. Hey, DJ K nya ni pa asem wo ka no okromu a me se me DJ K no minim de ntia be se me kasa wakama asem. Wakama asem me wakama asem ya. Asa ne ye nya nipa. Asa ye de ne ye mfura busuam. Ene de wo me say baby I won ankasa no baby isu no ko fine afaye somebody can catch us say afaye pa enti ne yentimi nka yentimi enka no say de nkese ye ka no ene wu nti Kamila Al Hassan otwa krom ha chese DJ K na wu ni nyansa se ne hwan wo krom ha so obi ya na ade na wonti ase a memfa ne se nipa ne sabi onim de wo ye unim nyanza se ne hwan wo krom a on say so tam yesi wo platform ne so a ya na memfiu utam me a me nua ba political babies esi wo platform ne so a on say ya na yemfiu ya na ho yesere ya na video ni ehwe ni say ya ene de ho na wo hye wo no ene wo na wo hye wo no me say Kamila Al Hassan baby owo bia ne kra ene ne kra ni beba ne ho so ne kra ni beje na explanation be na de be abonten endra me ye video ba akoma na no ne part 1 we ye part 2 me twen so obesa ba abonten abekeka obeti aden na mumu bi munya nipa munsusu ha DJ K Mrs. wa we are nsem a o ka fa me ho DJ K and then na o hye ho no next time ufu akokwa a obefre no alolo ewiase na ho kwa ene wiase no ensa emmeka wono yenkoka no ano a emmeka wono yenkoka no Kamila Al Hassan video ba wo si obia wo ho kwan se video ba abonti on be kirechiro ma adwene ene wo so de aba ye be kirechirem ye de pen ni paper beto ho na wo kra se won sa anya good unsa anya good
wo de be man ko foforo won fa ma assembly won fa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nya hwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa sako hwe no sako shi ta nso tonshina baby shi hey who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie hey Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what a pad sanya wa de wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo
It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Join down. See, we did be a can once. On my way, just say you name on my issue. I walk. For your shady, my papa, and not down who for Dr. Large Mahmoud Bomia, you get them out on my way. Any 2024 elections echo, and no man Dr. Bomia, and then a digital Ghana for some bar, way, a mayor mamona. Monsieur, Maki and Sem Patadi and Sakai. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be a leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, Yetimi Enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi say oh, I mean say we say NPP for ya comfort. Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them nkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na na yete ni nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wache dem. Me na wo ne wo sia che me se bi me na me ko ka che Ibrahim Dramani ma so o mema was come to boot one. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki, ntimo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo mamu kinki amamu ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Ibrahim Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne be to ba na ma boom mo to ba ma kinki government etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hyping say where can say Israel train, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no, were former staff M0untain, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. M0untain for the first time. M0untain I post. Oh yes, M0untain I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.